Okay, bola sa NHA binigay kang Mr. Suarez. Patrick. Patrick isilibin na bola doon binigay. Agoy, nako ni Mr. Tamandong binigay kang Mr. Duat. Duat nagmamadali ang tumira ng dos. 2 points Mr. Duat with a score of 8. 29 yung lamang ng 9 points. 2 points Mr. Patrick. Okay, holding the ball Mr. Duat. Binasag ang Mr. Habinis with 14 seconds shot clock. So Napiere for 3 points. Napiere with a score of 23-31. Holding the ball Mr. Patrick. Nilagay kang Mr. Nagap. Lumusot and tumira. Good. Same ball position.
You're back.
Live.
Tumira and 2 points Mr.
Madilit man pagkuhan, one
Nada.
man.
Score 33-23.
Pag ako
Okay, to Mr. Duat. Binalik ang Duat. Galing kang Sepi. Tumira ng 3 si Duat. And on pala. 3 points pala ang target nila. 26-33. Okay. Suarez sa 10. Agoy. 2 points. Suarez. Time 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Agoy. 3 points na naman. Grabe. Libot ng 3 points sa kanila. Brothers in faith. 29-35. Doon. Patrick Tunaga, 2 points. Ito. 4 minutes, 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 14 na naman. Agoy.
Gibbs. Reserve Gibbs.
Okay, no problem. Pag may violation po at that ball, 2 points. Lumusot. Agoy. 12 seconds shot clock. AK na po ni Patrick. Galing kang nagang to Mr. Maynard. Maynard, 2 points. Timeout ang Brothers in Faith. Retirement minute, 3 minutes and 15 seconds, and our score is 41-29 in favor of Team NHA Saints.
Ikaw ba ni Papa? Ikaw ba ni Papa?
Sira.
Kasi yung gamit. Yung motor.
Okay, go back to the game. Retirement minute is 3 minutes and 15 seconds for the third quarter of this game. It is score of 41-29 in favor of NHA Saints. Okay, holding the ball, Mr. Duan. Galing kang Napiere. Pinasa kang Habinis. Habinis, doon kang malong back to Habinis. 14 seconds shot clock. Habinis lumusot. Agoy, hindi malong back to Mr. Francis. Binigay kang Maynard. Maynard ang mamadali siya. Doon binigay kang Hariolme. 2 points Hariolme. 43-29. Okay, hold the ball, Mr. Duan with 14 seconds shot clock. Doon binigay kang Mr. Napiere with 8 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Agoy, hindi nabot. Doon binigay kang Mr. Maynard. So Mr. Maynard on the ball, matik ng magawa ng itagapasan kaya kang Mr. Francis with 15 seconds shot clock. Doon binigay kang Prada and lost communication at lumabas ang bola. Again, Mr. Attempt. And it's a 2 points, Mr. Napiere. 31-43. Holding the ball, Mr. Maynard with 15 seconds shot clock. Doon binigay kang Mr. Lagrada, 10-10. Muntik ng matras. Nakuha po ni Mr. Naga. At may tawag ng pangalan. Jersey number 6, Mr. Malong committed. Second in the foul, first team foul with 1 minute and 49 seconds. Maynard to Hariolne. Hariolne Agoy na palak ni Duat. 8 seconds shot clock. Agoy short. Agoy muntik na.
Naigo.
Foul jersey number 12. Sisepi. Second piece na foul, second team foul with time remaining 1 minute and 38 seconds. Agaroy, hindi pumasok ang first run ni Ariolne. Hindi rin pumasok. Walang score na nakuha. Mr. Haggins is dribbling the ball with a tulo at pinasa ka Mr. Napiere with 14 seconds shot clock. Napiere 40, wala, rebounded by Naga, pinasa kang Maynard. Maynard dribble ang bola, ginawala ang kontra, o disulod siya tumira ng dos. Ginawa sa rin, nakuha ni Sepi to Mr. Napiere. Napiere nagmamadalian, palak by Agoy. It's a rebound by Nadak, pinasa kang Nadak, galing ka Maynard. Agoy, still live, Sepi, 1 minute.
Wala.
Okay, nakuha.
Nice.
Substitution. 56 seconds.
Wala pwede. Napay court.
Tumira. Hindi. Agoy. Oy! Relax ya. Kuya. Agoy. Kalma lang ka.
Hindi na mo ito.
Iato ipako. At friend ka, love. Jersey number 6 pound. Okay. Warning for technical Mr. 6 and warning for second motion Mr. Patrick. Holding foul Mr. Malong 30 sa foul, 13 foul. Again, foul to si Mr. Malong, then warning lang po yon sa Team NHA. Hinay akong tingog. Hinay di ay? Mahudi ay. Hinay siguro akong tingog. Munang tingin madunggan na nagbubuhay. Tapos gagi, kusog. Ako na yung kusog. Okay. No good. Still by Mr. Napiere. Okay, with 30 seconds lang po. Wala naka-food. Bantog lang. 25 seconds. Okay, no good. Rebounded by Mr. Napiere. Ay na, bad break. 18 seconds. Wala na shot clock. 15 seconds. At that unstoppable by Hariolne.
Init. Ito mo magpuyo ka.
Bye!
Last one ka.
Okay, end of the third quarter. Atong score lang ka, 45-31.